After the downfall of communism in Central and Eastern Europe, it was already predictable that the underprivileged social strata will face the biggest difficulties in the new system. So, instead of going with short training programs and policy recommendations, partners knew that democratic change and civil society building requires new and acculturated skills and methods. Partners Hungary was founded in 1994 to build sustainable local capacity, to advance civil society and the culture of change and conflict management. We consider ourselves a learning community, so the international partners and step-by-step networks prove to be great resources for us to develop valuable relationships and learn new methodologies in a multicultural environment. We work in 4 strategic areas, which are promoting an inclusive society to support mechanisms towards equal access to educational and social services, healthcare, housing and rights. Advocating participatory democracy, whereby we empower stakeholders to participate in decisions affecting their lives. For this, we organize and facilitate stakeholder dialogues and roundtables. The application and development of alternative dispute resolution methods, especially mediation. And promoting child-centered education through the step-by-step pedagogical method. The number of colleagues in Partners Hungary has almost doubled in less than a year. Currently, we count 17 enthusiastic professionals working on 25 different projects. Men and women, Roma and non-Roma, colleagues freshly graduated and who just reached their retirement age. This is a tough but joyous challenge, and we try to make the most out of it. We understand that change is necessary but challenging, so we started to take out self-reflection time for ourselves. In October, we just tried Council, a structured but emotional restorative method to reflect on our inner processes. Let me highlight some of our great enterprises. We are working hard to establish intercultural mediation as a profession. The next big event coming up in November is the Intercultural Mediation Conference with the support of the Council of Europe and the pharmaceutical company GlaxoSmithKline. Our network of trained intercultural mediators are working to initiate and conduct dialogues between local authorities and underprivileged communities to improve living conditions, local transport and access to healthcare in 10 townships simultaneously. We are also working with kindergartens, primary schools and the secondary school on compiling 2 model programs with a holistic approach for educational institutions to prevent and tackle aggression, bullying, violence and conflict with the engagement and involvement of all stakeholders. Our mediation work group has called for an intersectoral cooperation among mediators, psychologists, lawyers and child protection professionals to develop a recommendation regarding when and how to involve children in the divorce mediation process. We are also improving our training curriculum and designing new trainings. Plus, we started cooperating with a Luxembourg-based mediation organization who specialize in workplace ADR and transactional analysis in mediation. After 2 years of hard work, we are proud to say that our mediation events are finally profitable. We are currently developing our new website so we can connect better to the people around us. When designing the content, we raised the question, what is our why? Well, this is our why. The warm and inclusive atmosphere which makes challenging times easier to survive.
We remain human.
We laugh.
Listen.
Argue.
Develop.
We make impact together.